Hey, free. How do free sound? Free, absolutely free. Next week, starting on 31 July through Thursday, right? The 3rd of August. And then the next week, that Monday through that Wednesday, we're going to go ahead and give away absolutely free foreclosures. 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 That process, how it goes, how you can take over that house subject to, how you can move forward and do great things. Get houses with low interest rates, right? Hardly any closing costs, just a couple fees, right? And you can help somebody with a burden that does have a problem. You can solve it. All right, why wait to be great? Invest now and grow your future. Hey, free. How do free sound? Free, absolutely free. Next week, starting on 31 July